Using cAlgo's advanced backtesting features, you can run a test to see how any robot could have performed within a certain time period and under a specific set of conditions. Start by selecting the robot you want to test from the Robots menu. Choose Add an Instance from the drop-down menu or click the plus icon and select a symbol to use for backtesting. With the instance selected, click the Backtest tab above the chart. The first thing you'll want to do is decide on the various settings in the Backtesting Settings menu. Starting capital is the amount of funds you'll use for the backtest. This is obviously just for testing purposes and won't affect any real funds you may have with cTrader or cAlgo. Then set the spread that will be applied for your backtesting period. If you set the spread to fixed value, it will never deviate away from your settings, so in this example the spread will remain fixed at 2.0. Setting the spread to random will choose any spread between the values you set for minimum and maximum. So in this case we'll receive a spread that's anywhere between 0.5 and 3 pips. Current live spread will simply use the actual current spread and apply it to the historical timeline. You can see the live spread updating inside these brackets. The commissions option can be used to calculate how much commission will be owed to the broker based on all trades made in your backtesting, so you can get a clear idea of how different commission rates will affect the profitability of your robot. Next, set the time period your robot will test between. You can also use the handles to lengthen or shorten your date range. When you're done with your settings, click the play button. You'll see a log of cAlgo events at the bottom, and details of all actions taken by the robot in the main window. So in the first 3 events, we'll see that for trade ID 1, a position was opened. Then the stop loss and take profit were modified, and finally the stop loss was hit. Switch to the Robots tab in the bottom half of the screen to see a summary and more details about your robot trading. At the bottom you'll see a summary on your starting capital, net profit, ending balance, and ending equity. And above you'll see details of the summary, broken down into long trades, short trades, and all trades. Finally, you can get an overview of how well your robot performed by looking at the graph. The yellow line on the graph is the account balance, and the blue line is the account equity.